Oh, it's been a long setup, right? Um, I had a problem some time ago where um, I was I lost the quad because I accidentally disarmed it in flight. I want to show you guys how to set up um, an arming feature. So if you were flying and you accidentally bump your arm or disarm button or disarm switch, you can actually arm in flight. So one of the things I want to do here is come to my programming tab, and in my programming tab I want to come to this, give it a few new options. So I'm gonna set this to on, and then um, I'm gonna set that to on, and then I'm gonna use two logic steps for this. I'm gonna use that one, and I'm gonna use this one here. So the first one I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set this to greater than a and b. So this states that from a to b we have to have an increment, and one of the things we want to set here is flight. So we're going to say in flight we're going to put this as speed. So ground speed, we'll select ground speed in centimeters per second, so it's going to be an increase. So I want a value of 670 centimeters. So if the aircraft is going on a speed of that, I want to be able to activate something. So the next thing I want to do is I'm going to go here and I'm going to say override arming safety. So let's look for override arming safety, so that it enables you to arm when this happens. So if my aircraft is moving at this speed, I want that to happen, and I'm going to set a logic condition of 6. So here we're going to set this, and we're going to set logic condition of 6. So if this activates, then my logic condition should override this setting. So let's save this, and then to test this, let me channel 10 mid high. So let us put this as, let's put this as mid just to check it, and mid will be get RC channel of 8, and let's save that. So if we put it in the mid, you see there the override arming safety is on, and then if we take it out of that, it goes off. So that shows us that at this mid value we can arm, right? So if we go to arm, it's going to arm. Now we need to just put this back to how it was, so that we know that it's going to have greater than a equals to that, and then we're going to have the value in flight, then we're going to say this is going to be ground speed. Where's ground speed? Ground speed in centimeters per second, and we're going to have a value of 650. What was 650? I chose 670. You can do the calculations, and then I have that always, and then logic switch. So let's save that. So it's off now because, as you can tell, my quad is sitting on my bench, so it's not going to move. So that's how I would set up my arming, override arming. And when that happens, the quad is moving that fast, you should be able to arm your quad, right? So you don't even have to do the pre-arm. So if we came back to our modes and we did arm, it will arm if even without the pre-arm once we are up there. So that's how we set that up. Thank you for watching, and I shall be bringing more tips to you. So if you have just keep following the channel to learn one or two new tips, and do have happy flying. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and you'll be first to know uh, what new things are up. And if you want to join my Patreon, click on the Patreon link below. Just for something as small as a cup of coffee, we could help this channel grow. Thank you so much, and do have a lovely time out flying. Happy flying, and always stay safe. Bye bye.